Are you tired of dealing with messy paint jobs and uneven finishes? Here are the 5 best paint sprayers for home use I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Inocraft HVLP sprayer. First up is the Inocraft paint sprayer, priced at $90.49. What caught my eye was its promise of quick proficiency, perfect for those of you who might be new to spray painting. If you want an easy start to your painting projects, this is worth a serious look. The Inocraft features a powerful 600W motor that allows for a max flow of 15.8 GPH, delivering smooth, even atomization. This means you won't have to deal with the frustration of thin paint or an inconsistent finish. Plus, the 1,200 ml tank lets you keep working without constant refills. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It minimizes overspraying and clogging, which can ruin your whole project. With over 500 units sold just this month, it's clear that many are finding it effective. Now, some users mentioned that it's not suitable for automotive painting. Here's the thing though, if you're strictly painting furniture or walls, that's not a deal breaker. It's designed for DIY enthusiasts, making it ideal for home projects. This is perfect for you if you're just getting into painting and want something straightforward. Skip this one if you're looking for professional-grade equipment, but at this price, it's a great value for casual users. Now, if the Inocraft's limitations bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with its airless technology. Product number 2, Vevor Airless Paint Sprayer. Next up is the Vevor 750W Stand Airless Paint Sprayer, priced at $162.79. I was impressed by its ability to cover large areas quickly, which is a huge time saver for anyone tackling bigger jobs. If you want efficiency and speed, this is definitely worth considering. This sprayer can deliver up to 3,000 psi of pressure, which means it's capable of covering more ground in less time, up to 5 times faster than rolling and 12 times faster than brushing. Imagine cutting your painting time in half, allowing you to enjoy your freshly painted spaces sooner. With a flow rate of 1.2 LPM, you're getting a uniform finish without the hassle of clogs or leaks. This results in a professional look, especially for medium to large projects. However, some users reported that it can be heavy and cumbersome to move around. That said, if you're working on a sizable project and need to get it done quickly, the weight might not matter as much. This is ideal for you if you have a large area to paint and want to get the job done quickly without sacrificing quality. If you're only doing small touch-ups, however, you might find it overkill. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who love the cordless freedom. Product number 3, 3D VO in Cordless Sprayer. Coming in at number 3 is the brushless cordless paint sprayer by 3D Voin, also priced at $90.49. What really stood out to me here is its compatibility with Milwaukee 18V batteries, which gives you that ultimate convenience and portability. If you want to paint without the hassle of cords, this is definitely worth a look. This sprayer offers a consistent flow rate of 1,000 ml per minute, ensuring even and smooth coverage. Whether you're refinishing furniture or tackling DIY projects, this sprayer delivers a professional finish. With 4 nozzle sizes and 3 spray patterns, you can tackle both detailed work and large surfaces with ease. Here's why this matters. Having those options means you can adjust your approach depending on the project, saving time and effort. However, I did see some complaints about the battery not being included, which can be a bummer. But honestly, if you already own Milwaukee tools, you probably have the batteries lying around, making this a non-issue. This sprayer is perfect for you if you're looking for freedom of movement while painting. Skip this if you don't have or want to invest in Milwaukee batteries, but it's a solid choice for those who do. Now, if that battery situation is a deal breaker for you, let's move on to a sprayer that's all about power. Product number 4, Graco Magnum Project Painter. At number 4, we have the Graco Magnum 257,025 Project Painter plus Paint Sprayer, priced at $306.41. This one caught my attention due to its heavy-duty build and the ability to handle up to 5 gallons of paint. If you want something built to last and tackle larger projects, you need to hear about this one. It's designed for versatility, meaning you can tackle everything from fences to walls without losing performance. The flexible suction tube even lets you spray directly from a 1-gallon or 5-gallon paint bucket, which is super convenient. Here's why this matters for you. Having that flexibility means less mess and more time spent enjoying your finished project. That said, some users mention that it can be a bit pricey for casual users. I get it, but if you're serious about painting frequently, the investment pays off in the long run. This option is great for you if you regularly take on big painting projects and want something durable. If you're just doing a couple of rooms, though, you might find it more than you need. Finally, let's wrap up with a sprayer that combines power with portability. Product number 5, Pmmki cordless paint sprayer. Last but not least is the Pmmki paint sprayer, priced at $126.41. What I love about this one is its true cordless design, offering flexibility and movement. If you want to paint anywhere without the hassle of cords, this is the one for you. This sprayer is powered by two 4000 mAh batteries, giving you ample runtime for those big projects. Plus, it has 3 spray patterns for any surface shape. This versatility is a game changer for reaching tricky corners and edges while ensuring consistent coverage. The built-in LED light is another thoughtful addition, illuminating those shadowy areas you might miss with traditional sprayers. However, some users did express that it can take some time to clean thoroughly after use. Here's my take. If you're using it for multiple projects, a little extra cleaning time is worth the convenience it offers. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a portable solution that doesn't skimp on power. Skip this one if you're not ready for a bit of extra cleaning, but overall, it's a fantastic value for what you get. So to quickly recap, we've covered the Inocraft for beginners, the Vevor for efficiency, the 3D Voin for cordless convenience, the Graco for durability, and the Pmmki for portability. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Graco Magnum because it offers unmatched performance for larger projects without compromising quality. As for which one to avoid, I'd steer clear of the 3D Voin if you're not already invested in Milwaukee batteries. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.